What is that noise? What is that noise? What is that noise, man? It's HAARP. It's starting to go away. You can still sort of hear it. Something happened. It's coming back. I wonder if it's a plane they're testing. Alright, it's pretty much gone. That was happening for at least 1 minute before I taped this.